Would you be upset if I told you we were dying? And every cure they gave us was a lie. Oh, they mean it when they say we're dead and doomed. And every single symptom brings us closer to the tomb. And who will take the credit for our swift and bending fall? Because it's not my fault. Would you be impressed if I said the dead would help us counting every single moment that we waste our time? All the time we're spending vaccinating this disease. I just can't sit when I think of all the ways we try to hide our melodies. Meanwhile we died, and everything is fine because it's not my fault. Now you're upset because you finally got the notion that everything you had is spinning down the drain. Whoa, give me the one, you're back and rambling. You give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, all those things we need. It won't break down when you win for when your number will be called. You'll say it's not my fault. And every single one of them, a lot of you will have your turn. Aye, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa. Like moths that fly into the flame, it always ends up so. You scream, not me, take anybody else, because it's not my fault. Was trying. Subconsciously I knew it was a lie. And when I woke I knew that it was time to pray, to make amends before the end, before my judgment day. I looked around, I stood alone, I knew what I had to